Hello. This is a video to show you how to navigate into your workshops. Once you log into the workshop, into the site, after introducing your username and password, you will be able to access your workshop. In this case, I have selected to access the Biology Cat 1 from the online workshops, October. I will select the Biology Cat 1 Group 2. So this is what you will see when you access into your workshop. This is a workshop. Here, now I'm going to go to the workshop homepage. In the workshop homepage, you will see that you can access from here the overview, module 1, module 2, 3, 4, and conclusion. You can also access the same places from the list at the left-hand side here. For example, I can access module 1, clicking here, always click in a new tab. There it is. But if I would have clicked here, well, I won't allow, for example, module 2 in a new tab, and then here I have module 2, and I can go easily back to module 1. You see, module 1, module 2. Going back to the home page, here you have what I mentioned just now, and the direct links to announcements, coffee corner. Announcements is a place where the facilitator will post all the news. You will not be able to reply to announcements, so if you have any queries, you have to go to coffee corner. Resource library, completion requirements, very important, read them carefully. Technical advice and online learners toolkit. This is a place for your blog, this is for the burning questions, and this is for sharing resources. All resources required for the workshop will be either in the resource library or in the sharing resources space, but your facilitator will indicate you where to find them. So don't worry about this. And if you do have any questions, you just ask them. Now, let's suppose we start working with module 1. So I click here, module 1. First thing to do is to read carefully the module 1 notes. There you have all the information. You can move forwards and backwards. You can go to the table of contents and select a page. This is up to you. As you read the module notes, you will find instructions for the activities. The activities are done in the forum. So for example, I go into this forum and I can, this is very important, add a new topic. Here I click add a new topic and I add a new topic, or I can also reply to a message. Then I click in the message, for example, this one, and I click on reply. I write my reply, and when I'm done with my reply, I have to remember to post to forum. Same thing when I add a new topic. For example, I go to this one now, to the other forum. The IB philosophy will take me to module 1. And then I want to go here, international mindedness, add a new topic. I write the title, I write the content, and I post to forum. Very important to write the title and to write the content and to post to forum. Otherwise, things get lost. So these are the main features about navigating. If I want to go back now to the main page, I just click here. And it will take me there. If I want to change my preferences, I click here and I select my preference. It says how I want to receive the messages. You can do some investigation here about message preference, notification. Maybe you want to be notified. No, this is not very important. The other one is more important. Message preferences. If you want an online, offline. Forum preferences. This is important. How do you want to receive the information? You can select here. And one thing that it is important, forum tracking. Yes, highlight new post for me. So when you log into the workshop, you will see highlighted the new post. So it's easier for you to know what you have read and you haven't read. Well, I think these are the main features for today. Any questions, please ask your facilitator. Well, bye for now.